I will teach you some of the techniques I just downloaded from the internet.
If you have not subscribed to my channel, please endeavor to subscribe to my channel before going forward to watch this video. Don't let Ogun strike you. I'm saying this in the kindest possible way. Hey guys, welcome to another YouTube video. Gang, 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 gang.
You know why I'm dressed like this today?
No, tell us now, babe. They don't know the meaning, auntie.
It means say, once an ashewo.
As you have clicked to the clickbait, how to be an ashewo. I'm sure everybody clicked when they saw that one. Well, I'm sorry to disappoint you. Nobody's going to stand on the road today. But I will be telling you guys how to be attractive, how to be sexy, and look all that, because people feel like you have to have like a certain amount of money to look sexy. Sweetheart, sexy is your confidence and how you pull it out. You know, take it till you make it. So stick around so that and get your pen, because this is about to be a lesson. I'm a lesson teacher today. Please, I want to give a disclaimer. Everybody is attractive, everybody is sexy, but this is just like a talk on how to, like, you know, do it better. And if you don't have your shit together, you get your shit together, you know, that kind of thing. So please don't take me seriously if you don't want to. But if you want to take me seriously, you can take me seriously. Don't take my word out of context. Being sexy is a personality, is a thing of the mindset actually, because if you don't feel sexy, you cannot be sexy and attractive. I don't know why I always forget to say attractive. But if you don't feel it, you can't be it. So on days that you don't feel it, you fake it. So the first step to being attractive and sexy is to be different. Don't follow the norm. Like, don't always want to follow the crowd, don't want to be in the trend. As I said, and I've always been saying, if you watch my videos, that trend is going to pass, but it's your uniqueness that keeps your style moving. Do you get? Yes. The second step, or the second tip to being attractive or sexy, is behavior on privacy. Yes, behavior on privacy. In this time and dispensation, nobody knows what is private and what is not. As far as it makes it to the social media, it is for everybody's ears and eyes. No, sweetheart, if you have bad habits, keep it in your closet. If you have anything, like personally, your relationships, friendships of sorts, it's not everything that's supposed to be on the social media or outside there for it to broadcast. I know, yes, we are what they call it, Gen Z, I mean whatever, Generation Z, I mean whatever they say these days. But I know you must not cast first. You get it? Please keep your private shit private. If you have bad habits, nowadays I see people glorifying their bad habits. Don't glorify. It's a bad habit. It's something I had to learn, that my bad habit is my bad habit. Nobody's supposed to know about it and nobody's supposed to glorify it. If a few people know, yes, those are your friends, that is your bad habit, but please let it stay inside there. You don't have to be a public drunkard to feel in the move or to feel rave. Keep it in the closet, seal it up there and move on. The third step is being comfortable in your own body. Yes, this is the dispensation of BBLs, big booty, big breasts, small waist, thin face, thin arms. So everybody has insecurities basically, but there are ways you can dress to cover your insecurities if you're that insecure about them. But at the end of the day, when you're dressing and when you're doing all these things, I want you to remember that everybody, even the person with the big booty and small waist, has an insecurity that you don't know about. You have to appreciate your body, be comfortable in it, love your body, yes, then you can now dress to flatter your body. That's how it is. But first of all, be comfortable in your body. Thank you. The next step to being attractive and sexy is to be confident. Yes. I'm going to hear questions. Most times it's like, how can you be confident? I'm feeling this, I'm feeling down, I'm feeling... You don't have to let the whole world know you're feeling that type of way. Believe me, because it's your facial expression, the way you walk, the way you carry yourself that people see. They don't see inside your heart. They don't see what's going on through your mind. I'm not saying you should come to the whole world and pretend like it's okay. But honestly, yeah, till we pass the era of social media, like, how would I put it? Everybody will sympathize with you, but nobody actually feels for you. So fake it till you make it with that confidence, because I know people are going to come and attack me now. Please, I'm not saying that you don't feel low. I'm just saying that a problem shared, half shared, all shared, at the end of the day, it's still your problem. Yes, it's still your problem. Whether somebody offers a solution to it or not, it's still your problem. And you're the one to know whether you want that problem to be out there or inside. So, show your confidence. Look like you got it all under control. Yeah, you can tell your close friends what's wrong with you, or maybe your family member or something, but to the rest of the world, you're okay and you're on top of the world. Please, please and please. That's how to be sexy. The next step on how to be confident or how to feel sexy is knowing your style. Sweetheart, you have to know your style again and again and again. You'll be hearing me, know your style, know your style, know your style. Yes, know it. So that you know what you're supposed to do, how you're supposed to dress to flatter your body, and how you're supposed to basically look. Because everybody wants to have this type of look, but you do it and you feel it's too much for you or it's too overwhelming. That means it's not for you. You have to accept who you are. It's first from knowing who you are. You know your style. You're comfortable in your style. Then you can now feel sexy in your style, because your style is the personality you show out. It's who people see you as, basically. So if you dress like this, people will address you like that. If you dress like this, people will address you like that. So know your style, and also know that there is a very thin line between trampy and classy. Yes, my sister, there is a thin line between it, because there are some ways that you come out and you feel like, oh my god, I'm looking sexy. No, you look like a tramp. Felt rude, but yeah, so know how to draw a line in between that. No, if you're exposing up, you expose your up. If you're exposing down, you expose your down. You cannot expose up, down, side, middle, everything at the same time. Please and please and please, that is wrong. That is not classy in any way. We are trying to be classy ashewos in this place. We are not trying to be the ones that collect money. Yes, that's what we are trying to do. So don't expose your whole body. Leave some people to be mysterious about it. Yes, the more you cover up, the more people want to see. You can cover up and still look nice. Yes, thank you. The next step to being sexy and attractive is smelling nice. Yes, you have to smell nice in whatever way you can. Please use a deodorant, honestly. Please and please and please and please and please use a deodorant. And you can afford that perfumes that are on any budget. Honestly, you can see a perfume as low as 2,000 naira. So I don't see an excuse why you should not be smelling nice. Because when you walk into the room, you're looking nice, you're looking all that, and you smell like a gorilla. Nobody gonna take you seriously. Yes. So smell nice. So that you can be like a baby girl. So that when you're passing, they'll be like, who is passing? Because sometimes your perfume announces you. Yes, yes, your perfume announces you. The next step to being attractive or being sexy is also investing in your intellect and your mental health also. Because if you don't invest in those, believe me, you cannot even exceed the confidence if you don't invest in your mental wellness. So take time, love yourself, meditate, go on breaks when you feel it's too much, and you can come back. You know, when you ghost the whole world and come back feeling refreshed. Yes, people will feel that you're gonna upgrade, but you did it for yourself, because nobody's going to care if you're going down a hole. So take care of yourself first before you come and prove to the whole world that you're sexy. And also, you have to take care of your brain too. You cannot be fine and paying and be showing us all these sexy things and there's nothing upstairs. There has to be something upstairs in your head. Have an ambition. I'm not saying you should be book smart. I'm saying you should be smart, whether in book or outside the book. Be smart generally, so that nobody can use you or take advantage of you in any form of way. Because if you're not smart, you will not be able to differentiate somebody that is just looking at your body and somebody that actually wants to stay with you. Because being sexy and attractive, you attract both things, the good, the bad, the ugly, everything. So have something upstairs so that you can differentiate them. So the last tip and the hardest for me to learn was learning to smile. Yes, I know, because you feel that it's a lie. This guy's been laughing like a clown since all her videos. But outside, I'm not like that. Most times, I have to remind myself, my friend, smile. Because generally, everybody's trying to look out for themselves, and we're in this kind of society whereby you don't trust the next person or you don't trust who's coming to talk to you. But notwithstanding, you should look approachable. Yes. Looking approachable will actually save you a whole deal than causing troubles for you. Because if you look approachable, somebody might try to approach you with an opportunity or something. But if you look like somebody that is about to beat up somebody, everybody will be afraid of approaching you. It's just only you and maybe your close friends that know that, okay, this is not the way you are, or you're nice, or nobody outside, no new stranger is going to know that. Yes, so smile. Yes, remember to smile. Look in the mirror every day and smile. Pro tip. We like the pro tips. Wear a sexy underwear. Yes, because I feel like it's the way you dress up that makes the sexiness. It enhance it. You feel it. So by the time you have a nice pair of pants and bra, looking nice, looking sexy, you're gonna feel sexy when you walk out. Yes, you're going to feel on top of the world when you walk out, because your body is already in that confidence mood. You don't need to break the bank, please, to feel sexy. Sexiness is not about how much you spend and what you're wearing, but most likely on how you carry yourself. So carry yourself in a nice way. There are some people that your mind that can play with you, that you're not sexy, you're not this. See, there's this trick I learned. When your mind is telling you something as an overthinker, start thinking of something else. Start thinking of something interesting. Maybe think of how you're going to wash your clothes, or basically do anything. Just don't dwell on that thought, because your mind is going to carry it to the very end. And we both know that in the real world scenario, that might never even happen at all. So if your mind is playing mind games on you, exit it and think of something else. And you see that with time it will become a thinking that is going back and back and back. Because if your mind doesn't think of something frequently, it goes into not extinction, but it goes to the back of your head. Like, you don't think of it that often again. That's it for this video, guys. I hope you guys learn to be an ashewo and learn to feel sexy, because this sexiness gang is a thing. Please remember to like, subscribe, click on the notification button. See, I'm saying it without mistake. Remember to like, subscribe, and click the notification button, and make sure to come back. Let's feel hot tea. Let me tell you how to do stuff. If there's anything you want to learn, basically, you can tell me on the comment section, and I'm going to do a video on it for you guys. I know. I love you guys too. Peace out.